Hi, here's a Roboflow example for uploading files hot folder style with an additional check style, that is check file, that is added after the upload. Here's how it works. I created a simple hot folder workflow. In that hot folder workflow I defined a hot folder and I defined a target folder. And then I specified the instructions to execute. You can just copy and paste this out, and this is what you get. What this does is it first creates a file with the same name as the hot file, as the current file, in the temporary parent folders, and it adds the .ch key. If you prefer that it doesn't take the full file name but the file name without extension, you just replace it by this. The next thing it does an FTP upload. It does an FTP upload, and you have to specify what IP address or FTP DNS colon the port. You have to specify the login and password. The password cannot contain semicolons. And then this specifies that it will upload the hot folder file, and then this specifies that it will create the subfolder part. It will take the hot folder and this the hot file's name, and the final parameter in this instruction being the 0 in this upload means that it is using the normal FTP protocol. So if you want to use SFTP or SFTP SSL, you have to specify 1 or 2 or 3, or if it's FTP passive, you have to specify -1. The next thing it does, it uploads that check file. That check file that he created here is just a text file, so it has a dummy text in it called FTP dummy. You can put in whatever you like. And then here it uploads to that IP address or DNS. So again, change it in, personalize it to what you need. Put your login, password, and then here it will upload this file that we created in the beginning of this line. Don't forget, if you changed this to have only the file name minus the extension, then you have to change that at this place as well. And you will have to change it here at this place as well. Here is the protocol, normal FTP in my example, and the delete. You have to keep that delete there because you don't want to keep all these check files running around in your parent folder. So that's the string you have to personalize. Once you've personalized this, just copy it and paste it back in. Make sure you don't have a character return at the end, etc. And that's all you have to do. So let's have a look at the workflow. There's an additional instruction here that deletes the file, because here it is copied to the target folder, the hot file, and then at the end it will delete that file that it uploaded. If we have, you can run, of course, the interval in whatever interval you want. And if we have a look in the drop folder, I dropped a file in the root, I created a subfolder and I dropped a file in that, and I created another subfolder and I have a file in that. So I have 3 files in here, and I am going to upload this to this FTP. So if I refresh, you see that there is no test folder or that car file. So now I run this workflow, and it should upload 3 files. Well, actually 6, but it shows you the 3 files. It is a little bit slower than if it would upload these files in the hotfolder FTP workflow, but that workflow does not allow you to upload that extra file. Quick check in the folder. Here no target folder exists, it cleans it out, and here you can see that the folders are empty. So now on the FTP side, if we do a refresh, we see that we have the car, we have the check file, we have the test folder with another car, with a check folder with another, and another car. So you see it was correctly uploaded. I'm exporting this to a zip, and then you can simply import this via this procedure here, import workflow, and you have to personalize it as I've shown you in the beginning of the example. Thank you for joining this demo. See you later.